Hello everyone! Welcome to my video today. We will be learning about Scratch and how to create a fully functional Scratch game. So let's jump right into it. To go to Scratch, we have to go to Google. Then we have to search up Scratch. Then we just click on it. And then we have to click in, create on the top. And that's it. We are in. Okay, so first, we have to start by putting this block on the screen, which is used. So when we click this button, we can start our program. Then we have to click this button so we can choose a different character for our game. Then just click on this character. And then we have to delete the cat so we can replace it with Ben. Then we just have to click on this button so we can change the background to this soccer background for our game. Then you just go to costumes, then you click on it. Then you just delete Ben 3 and Ben 4. And then you have to just put these blocks of code for Ben. Then you just go back into sprites and choose the soccer ball. Then you just put these blocks of code in for the soccer ball. Then you go right back into sprites and choose the ball. And then you position the ball where the soccer ball is. And then you just click the invisible button. And then you just have to go back to soccer ball and then click on ball. And then there you go. The game is done. Congratulations, you built your very first Python game. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.